Sprout Social 2022 tutorial for beginners. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started on Sprout Social. So let's get into it. Now, Sprout Social can be used for many different needs. So it could be social media management, customer care, data intelligence, social commerce, or social amplification. So you can get started on Sprout Social depending on the type of business or the industry that you're working in. So we're just going to click on start your free trial over here at the top right. And then we're just going to sign up for Sprout Social. Now, you can see over here that you can start your free trial on any of their 3 premium plans. All of their plans are paid. You don't get a free trial for a free version because you don't have a free version. You're going to have to create an account and start a trial. And after your 30-day trial, you're going to have to choose a plan. Now, I'm just going to fill out this basic information. So you're just going to fill out your name, your email, and your password, and then we're just going to get started in a second. Now, once you have filled out your basic information, Sprout Social is going to ask you to link your social account. So it could be either your Facebook or your Twitter account or any other networks that like Instagram, LinkedIn, or Pinterest, but I'm just going to connect it to my Facebook page just to get started with the Sprout Social platform. So I'm just going to do that and get back to you guys in a second. Now you can see over here that I have connected my Facebook account to my Sprout Social account, and it is asking me what page I would like to manage using Sprout Social. So I'm just going to continue with Scrunchies by Tim, and I'll just click on continue or connect over here. And you can have 9 profiles on your current plan. So the plan that I chose, which was the basic one that is recommended for most people, I chose that, and on that you can manage 9 different pages or 9 different platforms or portfolios on the singular account. Now you can connect any of your other accounts as well, but I'm just going to continue because I don't have any other accounts. And then I'm going to enter my basic information. So I'm just going to fill this out like so. So you're just going to enter your organization, and then you are going to just continue over here. Now, after that, you need to describe what you are going to be doing on the Sprout Social platform. So if you're using Sprout Social just to monitor your team, you can select this. If you're doing all the work, then you can select this. And if you're doing both, you can select over here. And then you are going to apply the basic requirements that are set for you. So you're just going to add all of these, and then you're just going to click on finish. And now your Sprout Social profile has been set up. You can get started with the Sprout Social dashboard. Now, I'm just going to wait for this to load up on my screen. Now you can see on your left, you have your entire navigation panel. It has your dashboard, your inbox, your tasks, your feeds, publishing, listening, reports, and reviews. Now, after that, if you want to access your accounts and settings, you're going to find that at the bottom left over here. And then you can have your different account settings over here. Now, if I click on the top over here, you can see it says Jane Doe Inc. Now I can make organization a lot more easy if I add different groups. So I could add like a marketing team or like a specific team for specific platforms. So maybe I could add a Instagram management team, the people that are managing the Instagram for my business or something like that. So you can do that from your Twitter profile or Facebook page, or you can create a new profile as well. Now, if we take a look at the dashboard over here, you're going to see your get started page over here. So over here, your dashboard is going to tell you on how to get started with Sprout Social and the different things you can do. So on your dashboard, if you scroll down, you're going to find all of your recent activity. Then you have your today's publishing, so all of the posts that you have done today. And below that, you can connect different profiles, integrations, power users, and your basic account settings as well. And then you can explore some other features. And on the right over here, you're going to find different features like any help that you would need and any webinars or any help center access that you would want, you can find over here. Now, on your absolute right, you're going to find you have your notifications, you have your team conversations. So over here, people can communicate via messages with each other. Below that, you have your shared links as well. So any of the data or links that you want to share with your entire team, you can share them over here. Then you have connect a profile, so you can connect another social media profile from these platforms onto your Sprout Social account. Now, below that, you have invite a team member. So when you are adding new members to your team, you're going to add them from over here at the right. So you can add their name and then add them via their email address. Now, below that, you have your Twitter search, you have your basic help center, you have shortcuts and your resources and support. Now, After that, if we go into our smart inbox, we're going to find all of the inbox conversations that we are having in the team. So I'm just going to open that up. And now you can see you have your private messages, completed, saved messages, reply approvals, and some other messages as well. So you have high priority messages and customer feedback. You can get those over here as well. And the best thing about that is that you can see all of your messages from your page on this platform, and you don't really have to open up Facebook or your Facebook page to manage it accordingly. So from this, you're going to be able to see not only your wall post comments, add comments, and private messages. So you can enable or disable which ones you only want to see. So maybe I only want to see comments, so I can only enable those, and that will only show me the different comments that I have on my posts. Now, after that, you also have tags as well. So depending on what kind of feedback you are looking to find, you can mark it as customer feedback or high priority. And then you have your sources as well. So if you are linking several different profiles to your Sprout Social account, you can manage which one you are currently managing, and you can directly connect that. So maybe I have like another Facebook page and I want to see the comments on that Facebook page as well. So I'm just going to click on connect a profile over here, and then I'm just going to click on connect over here, and I would just connect that page as well. Now below that you have your task. Now you can see that you have open tasks, closed tasks, and all tasks across the team. So you can see that this is currently empty. You can see that there are different leads or support or general tasks that you can create accordingly. And this just totally depends on the kind of team that you are running and the kind of team that you are going to assign different tasks to. So if you have like a specific leads team, then you can only enable leads tasks and view the progress of that team accordingly, and so on and so forth. Now after that, if I go on to the feed section over here, now you can see over here, you can see all of the different people that you're following on your Twitter feed or your Instagram hashtags or your RSS reader, and see the overall feed and the overall monitoring you want to do for your social marketing or your social know-how for your own business over here as well. So you don't have to browse different platforms to see the kind of input or the kind of reviewing that you're getting. Now below that you have your most important feature, which is the publishing. And on publishing, you can see that you have a post volume, you have your post types, you have tags at the top, you have all three filters at the top, and then you can view depending on what kind of platform you're running. So you can view monthly updates or publishing timelines as well. You can view your list timelines. You can click on filters at the top right over here and have like specific filters as well. And if you click on the compose button over here, this will open up a specific post. So let's say I want to compose hey sup, and I select the workflow. So right now I haven't added any workflows, but this is what it's going to look like. This is giving me the preview of how it's going to look like on Facebook. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add the time, so I can schedule this to be posted immediately, or I can schedule it with a specific time and date, and I can just click on send over here, and now this has been posted onto my Facebook profile. Now you can set up posts way ahead of time using Sprout Social, and this is the best part about it, is that you're able to get posts approved, and if you have a larger workflow, so if you're running a very large page and maybe you're the administrator and you have like 7 people working for you and they're adding posts, so they can add their posts or their ideas ahead of time, and then you can add approval. So you can click over here, you can click on schedule post, the people can click on schedule post, and then they could select a workflow of needs approval or add a specific label of needs approval onto their post that they're creating, and then you can choose to approve it or not. Now below that you have your general listening option. And over here, you're going to be able to find different analytics for your business or your social media platform. And you're going to be able to find the hot topics, what people are more interested in, and what the overall topic summary or engagement you're getting, the highest engagement on what kind of posts, and what are your overall demographics and general analytics for your profile. So this is how you use Sprout Social as a beginner. Now, what are the different plans that you can opt for on Sprout Social? Well, they have the standard, which starts at $89 per user per month, and if it is billed annually. If it is billed month to month, it will only cost you $99. So that totally depends on you if you want to save the extra $10. This will include 5 different social profiles, a all-in-one inbox. You have iOS and mobile apps. You have paid promotion tools to boost Facebook posts. You have CRM tools. You have review management, social content calendars, and scheduling and drafting and queuing different posts. Now, on the professional version, which I was just using, it is $150 or $149 per user per month, or $169 if you bill it month to month, and you can connect over 10 social profiles with a competitive report for Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. You also get incoming and outgoing message content tags, response rate and time analysis reports, the overall trend analysis for Twitter keywords, and you also get paid social reporting for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Now, on their advanced version, which starts at $249 per user per month, you can add up to 10 social profiles, and added to all of the previous features that I mentioned, you also get digital asset and content libraries, chat boxes with automation, saved and suggested replies, inbox rule builders for automated actions, and automated link tracking as well. So I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to use Sprout Social. Make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you guys in the next video.